Easily change the shape, size, and orientation of your video with the crop and rotate tools. If your video is sideways or upside down, select rotate to change the orientation. Simply tap rotate until your video is right side up. To change the size and shape of your video, select the crop tool. We've added text here to help guide you. For social videos, select the 1:1 ratio to make your video a square. For vertical videos, select a 4:5 ratio. Movies are typically widescreen. For widescreen, choose 16:9 ratio. For videos to be played on cell phones, choose 9:16 ratio. Here, you can choose to zoom in or out on the video. You can also pinch to zoom in or out. On iPhone and iPad, you can also stylize your video by adding a background color or gradient. When you are happy with your video's crop size and shape, tap Done. And that's how you quickly crop and rotate your videos for easy sharing.